The Tashkent Agreement was signed between Bharat and Pakistan on January 10, 1966. This agreement was signed by the Prime Minister of Bharat, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and the President of Pakistan, Ayub Khan. However, a few hours after the agreement, Lal Bahadur Shastri died under suspicious circumstances in Tashkent on January 11. Following Shastriji's death, his wife and acquaintances expressed suspicion of a conspiracy. The mystery surrounding Shastriji's death remains unsolved. World Hindi Divas was announced to be celebrated on January 10, 2006. The first World Hindi Conference took place on January 10, 1974 in Nagpur, Maharashtra. In this conference, 122 representatives from 30 countries participated. The primary objective was to promote Hindi worldwide. Following the organization of the World Hindi Conference in Nagpur, the Bharatiya Embassy in Norway became the first to celebrate World Hindi Divas. Subsequently, in 2006, the government of Bharat declared January 10th as World Hindi Divas to be celebrated annually. On January 10, 1929, the famous cartoon character Tintin made its first appearance in a Belgian newspaper. The cartoon series was named The Adventures of Tintin. If you enjoyed cartoons and comics in your childhood, you likely knew Tintin. The character of Tintin was created by Belgian cartoonist Georges Remy, also known as Hergé. Hergé passed away in 1983 at the age of 76. Despite his death, the popularity of Tintin comics remained high. The first Tintin comic book, Tintin in the Land of the Soviets, was published in 1930, and Tintin comics have been published in over 100 languages since then. On January 10, 1835, the first consignment of tea from Bharat reached England. Before this, England was solely dependent on China for tea. Bharat's superior tea quality compared to China contributed to the global popularity of Bharatiya tea. Although the British withdrew from Bharat in 1947, the tea trade persisted. The Tea Board was established in Bharat in 1953, facilitating the export of Bharatiya tea abroad. Today, Bharat is the world's largest tea producer with 70% of it consumed domestically. On January 10, 1863, the world's oldest underground metro rail was inaugurated in London. In 1853, Chief Engineer Sir John Fowler was given the responsibility for this project. 10 years later, the underground metro ran on the tracks for the first time. It's worth noting that the first metro rail in Bharat commenced in Kolkata in 1984. Subsequently, metro services started in the country's capital Delhi in 2002 and have since expanded to many cities including Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru and Lucknow.